my channel, Melanated Beauty. Today I am giving you a full bedroom tour of my bedroom. It is very relaxing and serene with organic, neutral, earthy tone colors, and it's also renter and budget friendly, and I'm kind of proud of it, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with, as soon as you walk in, this beautiful desk that I recently thrifted at Habitat Humanity. It is a solid wood desk, and I sanded it and refinished it with some paint wash, and it just gives off this really beautiful, organic, light oak wood tone look. And I also added some brass handles to give it a more, upscale feel, more finished, polished look. And to style it, I thrifted this beautiful lamp. I forgot what this type of detail is called, but I will link it or put it in the corner. And I also found this beautiful candle with this glass little top and set. This is actually from Family Dollar for only $7. And obviously I'm gonna repurpose this dish because it's so cute. And I also have here my little trinket glass container that I keep all of my jewelry. I actually found a lot of these at Goodwill, but I'll have them linked below as well. They are also found on Amazon. And a little vanity mirror. My favorite room spray by Casa Luna. It's called Clarity. This stuff smells so good. I will always use this for my bedroom. And for the vanity, I actually DIY'd this. I'll add some clips in of that process, but this is a mirror that I actually DIY'd a long time ago, and I decided that I was gonna try to match it up to the wood tone. So I sanded this, painted it, and then for the vanity, I added these puck lights from Dollar Tree, and they work like a charm. You just press them and they turn on, and it looks really good, like a true vanity. It doesn't even look like this is a DIY. It looks like it's made this way, minus the Dollar Tree puck lights, but I love that. And I also DIY'd the artwork that goes above it. This is a canvas with just some drywall spackle that I painted on these little earth tone colors to try to like tie in the room. Okay, and now in this corner I have this clothing rack and laundry sorter duo. This is from Amazon, and it's definitely a lifesaver. They can literally pop out like this, and you can assort your clothes from dark, light, whites, linens. And I just have all of my basic fall essentials here, my sweaters that I can just, easily grab, and some shoulder bags that I can also easily grab. And here in this corner, I have a basket of just my steamer for the clothes, irons, and definitely can't live without Febreze linen, air, and sky. I love this stuff, and I just spritz it on my clothes and around the room. And for my nightstands, I actually purchased this nightstand with a set. It comes with another nightstand and a dresser. I got off of Facebook Marketplace for only $75. I'm not sure quite where they are from originally, but I will definitely try to link something similar below. And I also styled it with these vintage books that I've just curated over the past few years, and with this little vintage vessel and a brass bookend of this horse. And also I thrifted this from Habitat Humanity. It's actually a vintage smoke and snack and sip tray where you can just place your little drinks and snacks here. I actually use this to take my medicine at night. I'll just pour a little glass of water, and whatever I want to snack on before bed I'll put here so I don't make a mess. And I also have this woodwick candle that smells amazing. It's called Exotic Oasis. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm also styled this almost a Vitruvi if I'm saying that right, dupe. I purchased this off Amazon, aromatherapy diffuser. It's definitely a great deal because I think it was only 20 bucks off Amazon, and it lasts for up to 4 hours on automatic, and it'll shut off when it's done. Also added this lamp, or this is actually originally a desk lamp, but I mounted it on the wall and I took off the volcano or glass votive, whatever it's called. And I just mounted this on the wall. I just think it looks better that way, and that way it adds more space on the nightstand for me to style. Now for my bed. This bed has been remade and restyled so many times on my channel if you've all been here for a while, but I will tell you this is the ultimate luxury bedding experience thus far, and let's just break it down. So for the headboard, I actually have reupholstered this headboard previously. I'll link that video below, but it actually needed a update, so I wanted to look for a new color, and I found these really awesome headboard covers from Amazon that are stretchy and super soft. It's almost like a velvety texture, and you can get them in whatever color you like, and you literally just slip it on your previous headboard. Very easy to do, very inexpensive, and you could just instantly upgrade your bedroom with a slip cover like this. So I would definitely recommend purchasing one for yourself. For the actual bedding, I recently have partnered up with Pure Parima. Pure Parima is a 100% Egyptian cotton brand that sells the utmost luxurious feeling quality bedding for your bed. And as you can see, I have the color linen from them, and it also comes with a duvet cover, and it's completely 100% sateen, so it's super soft and it makes you not want to get out of bed. I chose the High Red collection because of its diamond embroidery design with 400 thread count, definitely giving you that royal luxe feel and look. Interested in Pure Parima, I will have all of the links down below in the description box, as well as their coverlet set that they also sent me, which is this basically beautiful quilt set that also comes with 2 matching pillow shams. I will be actually using this set in a future video on how to style your bed multiple ways like a true designer, so please stay tuned for that as well. And moving on to Daniel's nightstand on the other end of the bed. He just has also this little glass container for all of his essentials. He has his wallet, cologne, jewelry, chapstick, and a nail clipper. That's very convenient for him, so he does not keep this cluttered like he usually does. And we also have his book that he reads, glasses, and I just thrifted this vintage camera Polaroid that I think looks so cute, so I just added there after he's done reading and everything like that. This lamp is from Target, and I just added this vintage Edison bulb for that aesthetic look. And this vessel is also thrifted from Goodwill, and it just ties in with the sage and the terracottas and creams that's also in the room. On this side of the wall, I have this enormous mirror that I've hung on the wall that will definitely reflect the lighting and make the room appear larger. I actually found this in the trash years ago, and I've repurposed it several times. I've added some wood panels around the perimeter back when I just wanted a raw organic wood look when I was in my Scandinavian phase. But I also added some drywall spackling to the edges for a textured organic feel, and then I painted it with this brown taupe color, and if you look too close it kind of looks like peanut butter, but I still love it. And lastly, on this wall are these beautiful crisp clean white curtains from Target as well. I really like these because they're simple and modern and sleek. I don't like a lot of fussy patterns and prints for my curtains, so I like to keep these nice, clean, and simple. And also in this corner is this huge vessel that I thrifted from, I actually got this from Facebook Marketplace for $30, and it has these really cool carvings and undertones and patina ware that I really love. Obviously I stuffed it with some pampas grass because I am a boho girl at heart. So this dresser is with the matching nightstands that I found from Facebook Marketplace. I'll give you a little peek inside my drawer just to show you these organizers that I've also found from Amazon. They organize all of your undergarments, bras, socks, etc. And it's definitely a really great hack to have, so your drawers are kept nice, organized, and sophisticated. Let me show you my new addition. This is the Loftech Aurora Starry Sky Projector, and it's so awesome and cool to have for any room in your home because it gives off this really lifelike galaxy effect that can shine on your ceiling. So when you're laying in bed at night and you're just trying to relax and set a mood, this is definitely the way to go. And it comes with this remote that can change different settings, different colors, and also it has a timer, so you don't have to worry about falling asleep because that's exactly what it will do. So it is wireless and you can charge it, and the charger is actually somewhere else, but you can pick it up, take it off of that, and actually hold it. But do not look directly into this because it is dangerous. And it's very easily to use. You just have some control buttons right here that are touch, and you just press it and it comes on like that. And you have other modes here that you can use for it. And when you're done, you can just turn it off and put it in the corner, have it facing a wall, a ceiling, use it for a backdrop, for whatever you like. But I like to use it at night before bed. It just kind of calms me, relaxes me, and puts me to sleep. One last thing I want to show you is the art piece above the bed, which is this framed fabric from Studio McGee as well. All of these tones and colors really tie in with the bed and the entire space, so this is like my favorite piece. It actually comes in a set of 2, but the other 2 I believe is in another bedroom makeover that I've done in my previous video. And that sums up my bedroom tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sound off in the comments down below, give a big thumbs up, and remember, everything listed in this video will be linked down below. So see you guys next time. Bye!